We all use our handwriting every day, but have you ever wondered what your handwriting reveals about you? Well, people that spend their time working out this problem are graphologists. Hi, Michael.
Hello, Margot.
And tell me exactly what you do.
Well, what you're doing is you're taking a piece of writing and through looking at the different letter shapes and other aspects of writing style, we're closely assessing the inner thoughts and feelings of the person who wrote this sample.
Now, we've got lots of samples here, and I know you don't know who the people are, but tell me what you think about them. I mean, starting, say, with this one here.
Okay.
Are there any characteristics here that you've noticed?
To begin with, we notice that this D that's circled here has a stem which curves to the left. This generally shows a strong sense of culture and a love of reading. Over here we have a connecting stroke that looks a bit like an umbrella or a mushroom. It's called an arcade stroke and shows a person with creative inclinations. This shows a T where the cross has been formed without lifting the pen from the paper. That shows initiative and the ability to streamline a work environment to the bare essentials, allowing the person to cope with a high pressure load which would destroy other people.
Michael, this one's actually mine, so I'm very interested in this one. That's funny. And what about this one here?
We see a literary G. It looks like a number 8, and this shows the person can express themselves extremely fluently, both in speech and in writing. And here there's another G formation, an extremely long stem. This shows the person is a powerhouse of energy and can keep working the sort of hours that would make other people drop off their feet. Okay, let's have a look at this.
This is very distinctive, this handwriting.
Yes, it certainly is. To begin with, we see extreme persistence shown by the knotted T here. We see an excessively almost emotional nature, not the typical stereotype English reserve by any means, and that is shown by the strong right slant combined with letter Ds that appear to be almost falling over. Now, this person also has a great deal of compassion and will be a loyal friend, and they have a romantic, loving nature, the sort of person who will be easily moved to tears by an emotional or sad film they happen to be watching.
That's an interesting one. There's certainly a lot in that handwriting. We've got another one. What about this one?
Okay. The first thing that one notices is the large formation of capital letters. This shows this person has excellent showmanship, exuding charisma. They have a warm, friendly, enthusiastic manner and a good sense of humour. That second part is shown by the ascending lines, and the good sense of humour is shown by wavy T formations. Now, this person speaks with ease and assurance, establishing a rapport with other people remarkably quickly. They have genuine compassion for other people, as well as a fighting spirit, and they certainly need to be in the public eye because they thrive on admiration and respect, and because they have almost a sixth sense for what's going on, and they can accurately sense what other people are thinking and feeling, but they're very sensitive to criticism as well.
Well, that's all very fascinating. I mean, if say you're sitting at home and you're looking at your brother or sister's handwriting, are there ways that you could tell what sort of personality traits they've got?
Yes, well, I've just written a book, and in the index of this book, it's very easy to match up individual letter shapes and also other aspects of writing style by looking in the index and then turning to the page number given, where you'll find a great deal of information about about the specific aspects of writing style or letter formations, and this will tell you how those people think and behave.
Well, thanks very much, Michael. It's a really fascinating subject. So why don't you go and check out your friend's handwriting and see what it reveals about them?